On the third and final day of the Tbilisi Grand Prix, Dutch judokas came away from the remaining 5 categories of the tournament with 4 medals. It's a team in fighting form with just a few months to go until the Olympics. Former world champion Mahinda Verkerk handed the Netherlands a first gold from the final day's action. The 2015 European champion took a giant step towards sealing a place at one more Olympic Games as she defeated compatriot Jussi Steenhuis in the under-78 kilo final. Verkerk emerged victorious from a tight affair courtesy of fewer Shido penalties as the Dutch team emerged with gold and silver. The travelling Dutch fans had more reason to celebrate later in the day when Abu Dhabi Grand Slam silver medalist Noel van te Ende won the men's under 90 kilo division. He continued his country's golden streak by beating Sweden's Marcus Nyman thanks to a Yuko and a Wataari. It was his second career success in the Grand Prix series following his triumph in Samsun last year. Paris Grand Slam runner-up Sasson celebrated his maiden Grand Prix title when he downed Roy Meyer of the Netherlands in the over 100 kilo category. Sasson extended his head-to-head record against Meyer to 4 wins and 1 defeat courtesy of a Yuko score that proved enough for him to win gold. Tumen Grand Slam winner Martin Pasek of Sweden left it late before dispatching Iran's Javid Mahjoub to win the under 100 kilo title. With just 28 seconds remaining, Pasek used an inner thigh throwing technique called an uchimata, which earned him the win by ippon. It capped off a fine showing in Tbilisi for Pasek, who won all 4 of his fights by judo's equivalent of a knockout. It's Pasek's final opponent who created our surprise of the day. Mahjoub reaching the showpiece match took many by surprise as his last major triumph was in 2013. He made it through his first 2 preliminary round fights thanks to 2 ippons before squeezing through the semis and then losing the final. The image of the day was provided by Portuguese judoka Jorge Fonseca, who produced a stunning ippon in his second preliminary round fight in the under 100 kilo class against Hungary's Miklos Tirianic.
This is judo. This is judo. This is judo.
This is judo.
Judo. And this is the Euro News. This is Euro News. This is Euro News.
This is judo. This is Euro News.